Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this issue, first of all, go to search and type troubleshoot settings. Click on troubleshoot settings, then click on additional troubleshooter here, and then click on Windows Update for update troubleshoot, and then click on run the troubleshoot. And you have to follow the instruction of this troubleshooting service. Troubleshooting could not identify the problem. Okay, now I'm going to try for next issue. Close setting, insert, type update history, and click on view your update history. Here you will find the latest updates. You have to uninstall the latest updates. Click on uninstall updates. Now I am going to uninstall the last update because some installed updates may cause this type of problems. Select update and click on uninstall, and then click on yes, and you need to restart your computer. I'm not restarting now, restart later. Now close install updates, close settings. Now go to search. In search, type services, right click on services and click on run as administrator. Now scroll down and you will find here Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and go to properties. Now stop the update service. Click on stop, and then in status type, manual is selected. Click on the drop down here and select automatic, and then start the service again. And then click on apply, then click on OK, and look, now Windows Update service is running and the status type is automatic. Now close service. Now go to search, type CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now I am opening some commands and I will give these commands in description so that you can copy from there. Now run the commands one by one. Copy and paste here. Hit enter. This command is for restore health of system image file. It will take some time. The command is executing. Meantime, we can download a program. Go to the Google Chrome browser, and here I will give this link in description so that you can copy from there. Copy this link and paste it in the browser and just download this file. Download has been finished. Now open the file. You need to run this file after completing this command. You need to run all these commands and then right click on this file, double click on this file to run and click any key to continue. Now close this file. Operation completed successfully. Now last command, sfc scannow. After completing this process, you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, I am going to check. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, and look, my problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.